There's no way to explain all the things I feel.
Welcome everybody to the channel. Zontes 310M scooter. It's been out about 3 years now. They say you're supposed to do a coolant change once every 3 years. Typically it's not. You don't have to, but this video just shows you how to do it, do the coolant change. So I thought I'd process this one for you, as it's been out for 3 years now. Obviously you'd want to service yourself if you've had a bike for 3 years, because after 2 years you're not in warranty anyway. So got English subtitles to help you along your way. It's nice and easy to do. Just follow the instructions. Use a green coolant that you can buy anywhere in your normal Alphas, etc. All auto shops will have the green coolant. So use a green coolant. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Lots of videos coming up. Enjoy the video. I'm looking at our playlist. There's over 1,000 videos on bikes, how to do it, specifically Zontes, but it's all related to other bikes as well. It's all same procedure. Madmick signed off, and I'll see you next time.